Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to understand about the trigonometry. Okay, na? It is 11th chapter in our paper 2. Chapter name was trigonometry. Now, first understand the chapter name. Okay. Now I divide this chapter into three parts. First is a trig, another is a gono, the next one is a metric. Okay, na? One is trigonometry. Tri means an angle. Sorry, tri means three. Gono means an angle. And metry means measurement. Okay, that means three angle measurement is known as trigonometry. First, it is clear that. The next thing, right? It is a triangle or not? Okay, it's a triangle. And which triangle is this? It is right angle triangle. Which triangle? Right angle triangle. Why? Because one angle is forming the 90 degrees. That's why we called it as a right angle triangle. Okay. Rest of the two angles are acute angles. Now listen carefully. I am assuming here theta. Theta means an acute angle. Okay, na? Acute angle means an angle is between 0 to 90 degrees. That's it. And listen. According to this theta, this side is called opposite side because it's opposite of the theta. No? That's why we called it the opposite side. And this side is called adjacent side. Which side? No? Adjacent side. And the lengthiest side is called as hypotenuse. Okay. Once again, theta's opposite side is called an opposite side, and this side is called an adjacent side, and the lengthiest side called is a hypotenuse. Is it clear? Okay. Now in this trigonometry we are talking about some ratios. Okay, but try to understand. Here we have some ratios. Okay, na? The ratios are, first is sin theta and cos theta. Okay, na? What is that? First is the sin theta and the cos theta. I am dividing, it's a first group. The next group is a T group, tan theta and cot theta. Okay, na? Tan theta and cot theta. Third group is a sec theta and cosec theta. Okay, right. Actually we have the 6 ratios in this trigonometry, but the 6 ratios we are dividing into 3 equal parts. Okay, na? 3 parts. The first group is sin theta and cos theta, and starting with s and ending with s. That's why sin and cos. Okay. The next is tan theta, cot theta. TT is there. The next is sec, cosec. Okay. Now listen here. When we are using this sin theta, listen. If it is an opposite side, and this is hypotenuse, right here. Opposite side by hypotenuse is sin theta. What? Opposite side by hypotenuse is sin theta. Okay. Now listen. These two are the one group now. Why? Because the denominators are equal. This one is an hypotenuse denominator and this one is an hypotenuse denominator. And this is has the numerator as opposite side. This one adjacent side. The first one is clear now. Once again, sin theta and cos theta is one group. Opposite side by hypotenuse is sin theta. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Next is cos theta. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. The similarity between these two is the denominator equal. Okay. Now listen here. Tan, cot. In T group, we don't have the hypotenuse. Okay. Write the opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. The tan theta means what? Opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. Now listen. And these two are a one group now, but reverse to each other. That means they are reciprocal to each other. Opposite side by adjacent is the tan theta. Here adjacent side by opposite side is a cot theta. Once again, tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. Cot theta means adjacent side by opposite side. Is it clear? Good. And listen, in this one, these two are the reciprocal. Okay, na? These two. That means this is adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse by adjacent side. and this line here. Tell me, hypotenuse by opposite side. Okay, once again, first we have the 6 ratios in trigonometry. The 6 ratios divided into 3 groups. Okay, the first group is sin theta and cos theta. Second group is tan theta, cot theta. Third group is sec theta, cosec theta. In first group, the ratio is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta, opposite side by adjacent side. Cot is reverse of tan, adjacent side by opposite side. The next, hypotenuse by adjacent side. The next, hypotenuse by opposite side. Is it clear? Okay. Note down, pass and note down. Okay. Listen. What we will learn the last? Sin theta, first group is cos theta. One group is over. The next, tan theta, cot theta. Right, next, sec theta and cosec theta. Is it clear? Right? And listen, this line here, no? That means we can write sin theta. Now I am writing here reciprocal. Sin theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta. Okay, I already told you it's a reciprocal, opposite now. And this line mixed to here now. Tell me, cos theta. 1 by sec theta. Right. The next here, these two are the reciprocal to each other. Tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. And sec, 1 by cos theta, and this line makes 1 by sin theta. Is there any doubt? Once sin theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta, cos theta is equals to 1 by sec theta, tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta, then all are the reverse. That means reciprocals to each other. And listen. Now try to solve some problems here. Here, Pythagoras formula, Pythagorean formula. Listen, what is the Pythagorean formula? If I take this right angle triangle, okay, we know that this is an adjacent side, this is opposite side, this is hypotenuse. Okay, now I am giving names to these angles. Okay, na? This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, now listen, what is the Pythagorean formula? Hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Opposite square plus adjacent square. Okay, you learn in this one in your class. Understand carefully. Hypotenuse is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Okay, the side is AC here. That means AC square is equals to opposite means BC square. Adjacent means AB square. If I give you like this one P, this one Q, this one R. Now according to the, tell me, P R square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. Okay? Example, here I am giving you one P Q R. Now listen, PQ square is equals to RQ square plus PQ square. Okay, that means the hypotenuse is equals, hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Now done. Now listen, try to do some problems here. If sin theta is equals to 3 by 5, then find all other ratios. Find all other ratios. That means we have to find cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay. First, according to this, I am writing here what is given. Sin theta is equals to 3 by 5. Okay. This is a triangle now. Here given only theta. That means here then acute angle is forming. And listen, this is A, this is B, this is C. Now we know that this is opposite side, this is hypotenuse. In this three, which one is an opposite side? This one. Which one is an hypotenuse? Now, what is the unknown angle here? Right. What is an unknown angle? Adjacent side is an unknown angle. Using the Pythagoras formula to find that. What is the Pythagoras formula? Hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Okay? Directly I am standing here. HOA. H square is equals to O square plus A square. Now listen. Hypotenuse. Right. Pi square O square opposite 3 square plus adjacent. We don't know the adjacent, that means AB square is an adjacent. Okay. Now 5 5 is a 25. 5 square means 5 comes 2 times. 3 3 is a 9 plus AB square is an AB square plus 25. Send the plus 9 to this side. It becomes 9 minus 9 AB square. Now AB square is equals to, we know that 25 minus 9 is 16. Now send the square to that side, it becomes root. Then AB is equals to, we can write as 4 square, square root get cancelled, then AB is equals to what? 4. Okay, then we get the 3 sides. Then right here, after that here cos theta, here cos theta, next tan theta, next cot theta, next sec theta, next cosec theta is this. Write the formula here, adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side here? 4 by 5. Not done. Write the rest of the all problems. Rest of the all ratios. Not done. Pause it and note it, okay? And I will give you some problems here. Problems. The first problem. Now second, the first one is, I'll explain you now. Now cos theta is equals to 4 by 5. Then find all of the ratios. Okay. Third one, tan theta is equals to 5 by 12. Then find all other ratios. Fourth, sec theta is equals to, then find all other ratios. Try these all problems. Okay. Take the screenshot and do the homework. If you have any doubt, once again repeat it. Okay. Completed now.